back, baby. We're at the track. We're at Capitol Raceway. We have a 240. You guys are familiar with the S13. Today is what we'll call a testing. Today's what we'll call a test and tune day. There's no expectations. We're on new tires. Shout out Tire Street. I'll plug them down below. We're running the 651 Sports by Accelera. They're supposed to be good. Mategi hooked us up with the battle wheels, and the car's ready to go. We got this dialed in California. Me, JP, Darden, Ian, Dylan. There's been a lot of hands on this car to get it to the stage that it is today. And today is all about just getting comfy again. It's been a couple months since I've been behind the wheel legally, and we just want to feel the car out, have some fun today. And we have another event coming up on November 9th. So tune in if you guys aren't already. Sub, this is dope ass content. I don't know why you wouldn't. We'll check back in a bit. It's been a long night. Car did great. Had a little bit of an overheating problem later on in the day, but I was just slamming lap after lap. We cooked through the tires. I could put my fronts on the rear, but I think I'm done for the day. So we're gonna get everything loaded up on the trailer. I had to take off some of the panels, the front bumper, the rear bumper, and all that just due to clearance issues. But now we know that we need to do some cutting. So I'm gonna load everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did and you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe, drop a follow. All my socials are down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching.